Have you ever felt like, no matter how hard you work, you're not getting any closer to real financial freedom? You wake up early, grind through your day, and even manage to save a little. But it feels like you're stuck on a treadmill running hard, going nowhere. You save, you budget, you cut back on coffee and takeout. You do everything right, and still your bank account doesn't reflect your effort. That's because you have been taught how to earn money and how to spend it, but not how to use it like the wealthy do. Because the truth is this: the wealthy don't follow the same rules. They don't hustle harder. They don't live in spreadsheets and savings apps. They learned one money secret early on, and it changes everything. And by the end of this video, you'll know it too. Let's get real. Most of us were taught the same script about money. Get a good education, get a job, work hard, save what you can. Retire someday? Sounds familiar, right? The problem: that script was designed for survival, not wealth. You were trained to play defense: save, protect, conserve. You were told to avoid debt, clip coupons, and always keep a rainy day fund. Now let me be clear, saving money isn't wrong, but it's not enough. Not in 2025, not in this economy, not if you want to build real wealth. The system taught you to fear money, not understand it, and definitely not to master it. Meanwhile, the wealthy play an entirely different game. They were taught to play offense. They understand that the goal isn't just to earn, or civets, to multiply. Here it is. The number one money secret the wealthy know is this: money is not for saving, it's for multiplying. That one shift changes everything. Poor and middle-class people think money is the end goal. They say things like, if I just had $10,000, I'd be okay. If I could save $100,000, I'd be set. But the wealthy, they see money as a tool. They don't keep it sitting in bank accounts, losing value to inflation. They deploy it, they put it to work. Money, to them, is an employee. It works 24/7. It earns when they sleep. It grows even when they take a vacation. They buy assets, stocks that pay dividends, real estate that generates rental income, businesses that scale, and they avoid liabilities. Flashy cars, designer watches, anything that takes money out without bringing it back into them. Cash is potential energy. It's not a trophy to be admired, it's fuel to be used. Let that sink in. Because once you stop treating money like something you hold in, start treating it like something you leverage, your life begins to change. Warren Buffett is one of the richest men in the world, but he's not flashy. He still lives in the same Omaha house he bought in 1958. Why? Because Buffett doesn't treat money as a way to impress others. He treats it as a way to buy freedom. He buys companies. He buys cash flow. He buys time. As he famously said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And that's not a metaphor. That's reality for millions of people. They work, they spend, they save a little, and repeat. Warren Buffett, he built systems. He understands compounding. He knows that $1,000 wisely invested can become $10,000. Without lifting another finger, that's the magic the wealthy rely on. And here's the kicker. He didn't start with millions. He started with ideas, with discipline, with the mindset you're learning right now. So don't ever think it's too late for you. The gap between you and someone like Buffett isn't money, it's mindset. So how do you apply this? It starts with one powerful shift. Stop asking, how can I save more? Start asking, how can I make this money grow? You might not have thousands to invest right now. That's okay. Start small. The wealthy didn't start rich. They started different. Here are 3 steps to begin today. 1. Use money to buy income. Invest in assets that generate cash. Stocks, REITs, index funds. Anything that pays you. To use money to buy time. Don't trade all your hours for dollars. Learn to delegate, automate, scale. 3. Use money to buy knowledge. Read books, take courses, hire mentors. One $20 book can return $20,000 in the right hands. Every dollar you spend is a soldier. Send it somewhere, it can win a war for you. You don't need to wait until you're wealthy to start thinking like the wealthy. You just need to start. Here's what most people never hear. You are not broken. You were just taught a broken system. And if you're still here watching this, then you're part of the few who are willing to learn differently. Your future doesn't have to look like your past. Your bank account doesn't have to reflect what you grew up believing. You are one decision away from a new trajectory. So don't wait for permission. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start with what you have, where you are, with what you know now. Because money doesn't make you powerful. Learning how to control it does. The wealthy aren't smarter than you. They're not better, they just know how the game is played. And now, so do you. So let me ask you, were you ever taught this? Did anyone your school, your job, your parents even, tell you that money is meant to work for you? If not, that's okay. That ends today, because now you know the secret. And that knowledge alone places you miles ahead of the average person, who may never question what they were taught about money. Most people live their entire lives trapped in a loop, working hard, earning just enough, and wondering why financial peace seems so far away. Most people will click away from this video and go back to the grind. They will keep thinking money is scarce, dangerous, or only for the lucky. But not you. You stayed, you listened, and now you see the game for what it really is. And if you want to keep learning the money truths the rich don't share in schools, subscribe now. If this video helped shift the way you see money, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm this message is worth spreading. Comment below. What were you taught about money growing up? Was it about survival, or multiplication? Was it fear-based or freedom-focused? Share your story. You might inspire someone else who's where you used to be. Because this is just secret number 1. The rest, we're just getting started. And trust me, you won't want to miss what comes next.